Howdy and welcome back to London Creative. Usually Tora's only with me when we're out there and doing the out and about stuff. But today we are in here and we have a painting machine just to add effects of steam train noises. Because we're going to do something that I've done before, but Tora's not done before, have you? No. Terran at Countrycraft and Trent at Misscraft, Jazza and a number of other people all got together last month and made a playlist of Monster Bash once again. Last year I made, what did I make? Oh, this thing. Monster. Because I pulled prompts out of the prompt list and I came up with, you remember? Right, so this year I'm going to make another monster of some sort, and Tora's going, are you going to make something, are you going to draw something? She's going to draw something. So we have laptop, and we have the Monster Bash cards as drawn by the contributing artist. We have the monsters cards here, and we're going to hit play and stop and start, and there'll be the cards that we're going to pick. So first off, you want to go first? I press play. Got cats, meow. My turn. My turn is a cup of poison. Spelled poison.
Why is it poison?
Poison. Ready? Your turn. Oh, got a Pokeball. I got a three-fingered hand. Your turn. A Batwing. You got Batcat. You got her. And my turn. Oh, it's very definitely got a green monster coming out because you know how much I love green. Is that 3 or 4? 3 each. She's got comb with teats or sad face. I don't know what that is.
Ghost?
Ghost. It could be a ghost.
Table sugar?
Stop it.
A chewy monster?
Right, my turn. I've definitely got, I'm getting a theme here. I've got a pink hand and a green hand and yeah. Ah, hazard stripes. Let's get Soda to it. Nope. Okay, many eyes. Last one. Ah, a red hand holding a sword hilt. And my last one, I got I got a sword with the green hand. So the green hand will be, the three-fingered green hand will be holding a sword, clearly. Any ideas? You have an idea of yours? Mm-hmm. Right, so that's that. And yeah, let's see what we can come up with. At the end, we'll come back and do a reveal and we'll see what we end up with. Right, so while Tora's off making her monster on an iPad and drawing it, I'm going to stick to more traditional ways of doing it. Since looking at getting the prompts, I've been looking for dinosaur toys. They're not really that easy to come by. We have things called Poundland, which is terribly rubbish, but if you don't have a car, B&M and UK's closest equivalent to Target is miles away, so I haven't really had a chance to go and look. So I sorted the props box out the other day and got rid of a load of things that were not needed, but I've ended up with this little box and, well, I don't know. So I've got things like a couple of random dolls. I've got some eyes. There is that. I know I had that. I've got some googly eyes. One of my prompts is eyes, so I guess they'll do for that. I need a cup. We've decided to make the Poyoyoisen cup, the shared prompt. We're both going to have a Poyoyoisen cup. Interesting. Your shoes come off. trousers come off. Ah, I know I had this. I meant to say, I've got a sword. I have a sword. It's going to end up being a very small model. I can see it. So she could be that with loads of eyes, painted green. It's got 3 arms. My monster. My scary monster. Look how scary she is. Isn't she cute? I'm deliberating whether she needs to be like that in green. I don't think she really needs her trousers on. Also wondering if I should put the towel, could be up here to make it random. So I've done that. If I glue that in there. And also I've got these googly eyes, which I'll do that all the way around. Glue. Problem is, she's still very, very cute. Even with eyeballs all over her. I guess I'll just go for a cute monster. I'm going to try this. I've never actually used green stuff. Everyone talks about it. Really expensive for what it is. I mean, Milliput, a couple of quid, and then this stuff is like £13. I can see the advantages. It's very pliable, very thin, so you can lay nice layered thin pieces, whereas Milliput tends to be drier, less good in small structures. Hot. I don't know what this is, I just found it. It looks like a shell, but if I put that on, run out there, go, no, don't do that! Hot glue and green stuff together. That's fine. So need to. Yeah, they're not gonna stick. Okay. Why do my monsters always end up with googly eyes? The googly eye? I guess I must think googly eyes are scary. Alien with the monster. The only problem with glue guns is this residue, this sinewy spiderwebby stuff, which could be useful, and probably is going to be useful in a minute because I've got to make her arms all gooey-fied, which is what dark glue. I should do it now actually. Burning hand, burning hand, burning hand, burning hand, burn, burn, burn. Okay, we are back. You probably can't tell, but it's really dark. It's got really today. Left this for a couple of days, like that. Some of the eyes have fallen off, so I'm going to have to re-glue once she's been Mod Podged. So I've been to a phone party. This thing has got to be a cap. Okay, I found a handle. I've just put the whole glue gun on. Okay, little double glue there, double glue there, and burn my fingers out. That's that. I found this. It's the centre of the pods thing for headphones. There. Wonder how Tora's getting on. What's she up to? Please note just how dark it is. There are lights on around, but it is so dark. You can tell this is a monster. She's green. That's how you know it's a really scary monster. I mentioned I don't like the colour green. Get some spikes for her. I realise I've missed the spiky claw and spikes on the ball. Same thing again. I think I might fill that with resin. Rainbow with the light. I love this light treatment, window treatment thing, but it does cast some really weird lights when you're trying to paint. Lots of slow cleaning of the eyes, because the eyes would still be clear. A few touches up on the green. Okay, that time. I'm going to try this red, because this red is well, it's been, what, 2 weeks? We have made or drawn our monsters. Yeah, you've seen some progress. Do you want to reveal yours? Show me.
It's not good.
She's going to preempt this no matter what. Go on then.
Still not good.
Ta-da! Do you want to explain?
No.
Okay. So a drawing of a monster.
I don't think that's how you spell. No, it's not how you spell
Poison.
is it?
I don't know.
Poison.
Possian is wherever it's spelled. She's headed there.
And I had a little poison apple in there.
A little poison apple. You ready for the scariest monster the world's ever seen? Ta-da! Isn't she the scariest little thing you've ever seen?
Looks like a Monsters Inc. monster.
She's so cute. Look. Scary. There we go. Now we need to name her. Do you want to name her? This could take a while.
I have to think.
So, yes. What were your prompts? Remind everyone what your prompts were.
Pokeball ghost thing.
The ghost cone.
Yeah. It has
a warning.
warning things. Purple wings and a red cat mouth.
And a sword.
Oh, and a hand holding a sword.
I had a lot of eyes, a green hand holding a sword, a towel with a spike on the end, a purple hand covered in gook, and a hand with 3 claws, which is this down here thing. Oh, and the poison cup, of course. Okay, so, well, there we go. There are our monsters. I'm going to put her down out of sight over there. How was it? How did you think you did? You can do it next year unless you're going to make a model.
Like I have the time.
Right. Well, yeah, there you go. Hope you liked that random little bit of video and adding somebody else in rather than just me doing it. If it was good, then do give it a thumbs up, a little thumb. Comment, talk to us, tell us, leave us comments down below, and if you're not already, then do hit subscribe down there. You've worked out you're on the other channel, aren't you? So this is doesn't count. And if you've not already, check out London Creative Out and About. Up there in that corner, there'll be a link to the other channel where we do the out and about, the walking, and the anything out there around London that we happen to find. She features quite prominently, and she even speaks more. So, yes, and we will see you again for more Halloweeny content and more content of making stuff and breaking stuff and gluing our fingers together, etc. Until then. Pop. I wanted dinosaur pieces. The only shop I found was selling for £25 for a pack of 3. I'm not kidding. Easily available. Blah, blah, blah. She has a bum. Actually, I'm not showing you that. Random. She has an action. Okay, she's not as young as she looks.
What?
What have you named her?
Which one?
The first one.
Oculus.
Shortened to...
Oki.
It's a camera.
Oki.
Oki. Why?
Because it's ocular.
Because what?
Is it not ocular? Doesn't ocular mean sight?
Means optical.
Yeah.
Optica.
You can call her Optica. It makes it sound like she's an optician.